Many PlayStation 4 owners are getting a private message containing special characters. So, people are being aware to watch out for such messages. A number of PS4 owners have taken to Reddit to warn others to set their PS4 messages to friends only or disable them entirely after it was discovered that a private message containing special characters could crash PS4 consoles. The message is so severe that people are being forced to factory reset their PS4 in order to use it properly. The worst news is that you don't even have to open the message to be affected. Just receiving the notification on your PS4 is enough to trigger a crash in some instances. Sony may release a PS4 system software update specially meant to solve this problem. Sony was planning to release an update to let players change their PSN. But I guess it will be postponed and an update to solve this problem will be released first and as soon as possible. There are some ways to stop PS4 from crashing due to this problem. Deleting the offending message from the PlayStation Messages app on Android and iOS may help, as long as you're not logged into PSN on your PS4 at the time. The best way to prevent your PS4 from crashing is to set your messages to friends only. Here's how you can set your messages to friends only from your PS4. First, go to Settings, select Account Management, and then Privacy Settings. Second, choose Personal Info, Messages, select Messages. And then at last, choose Friends Only or No One. And now, here's how you can set your messages to friends only from a web browser on your laptop or PC or anything that has a browser. First, visit the PSN Privacy Settings Management page. Second, sign in with your PS4 account details. Third, choose Personal Info, Messages. Fourth, select the Edit button next to Messages. And then, choose Friends Only or No One. With a ton of big games out this year such as Red Dead Redemption 2, Fallout 76, and the recently released Call of Duty, Black Ops 4. You're best served taking these precautions until Sony fixes it. So guys, thanks for watching and I hope that this video will help you fix your problem. Like the video and let me know what do you think about the video in the comment section below and share this video with your friends to help them if they have the same problem. More videos related to tech and gaming are on the way, so subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification icon so you will never miss my videos. See you guys in the next video.